Yeah. Hello, everybody. My name is Julia, and I want to teach you how to generate views in AutoCAD. I hope you enjoyed it.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you another day.
See you on another day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, hello. Welcome to this little tutorial that will be trying to guide you through how to generate views in AutoCAD. So we have a file, the file that you are working in our studio, and I want to get to see more elements in my screen. So we can go here to have a look in our layers. So I want to generate also one section in the layers 3D chairs, 3D suelo, the ground, and also the ceiling, 3D techo in this case. Our file is in Spanish. Also have my linear section that I select like my current layer. Okay, so let's have a look in our plan view. We type plan and we see our plan view. So for today I want to generate one cross section that pass through this point. Okay, this point, and we are going to call this section the CC section. So I just changed the color of my line just to highlight the section that I wanted to do right now. Okay, so I have this information in my screen, and then this section will be section DD. So I generate two new layers. One is called section DD, and also another layer called section DD hatch. Okay. So we have here the section DD, like our current layer. Great. I can also see my project from some isometric view, like this one. And also I want to section. So coming back here, we want to generate a section. We select everything, all 3D solids, and the plane is in this case ZX, because it's through this CN line, Z and X plane, and we define the point, that is this one. Great. So we have here our result. Let's isolate our result like this. Okay, and I change my UCS to 3 points, and I define my UCS through 3 points, like usually 1, 2, and 3, and I type plan, and I see my section. Now it's time to put the hatch that will be in this layer, section DD hatch. Color, we use color 8. Great. And then I can call also the layer section AA hatch, that is this one, just because I want to take some advantage from this hatch that I see in my screen. So I go to hatch, and then I can in linearity properties with this button. It's from this one, and I put my hatch here, 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 and also here. Great. So now I don't need this object, this line, and we see again our file in. So we have here our section. Okay. So now it's time to the second step. That is, we can see here our section. This is the geometry. So now it's time to generate our view. To generate the view, I need the section lines. So I can go back to the UCS, the word UCS. I can offset like 10 meters this line to up. Okay, so I have here, how you can see, we have here our we can orbit a little bit to see the situation that you have right now. The orbit here. Okay, this is the situation. Few things in the screen, please. Okay, so let's generate the view. To generate the view, in fact, is not necessary to have a lot of objects in our screen. Let's just put some of them. Muebles, paredes, proyector, and silla, and suelo, and techo. And that's all. Okay? So, now I can go to the view. The view comment. Yes. The view. I select everything. This is one. Always I define first of all points. So my point is target is this point. The camera is in this point here, or perpendicular to this line. Great. So now I go to the clip, front, and then I just put a 1 millimeter more, 10,001. This is the tricky. Okay, that's all. Enter, and finally I need to save the view. I go to view,